I had a patron request asking if I could show how I would add knots to this wood. Other than what I'm going to show you right now, everything else will be exactly the same as yesterday's video. I'm going to demonstrate first on this piece of paper. When people think of a knot, they very often will think of something that might be, and that's not bad. But if you really look at how knots look in actual wood, you can see that it's not just a circle around that knot. You get something more like this. So I'll draw, you have kind of your knot in the center, and then I'll just create kind of an organic oval shape around that like so. And as I get out further to the right, I start to break that line up, and that can even go off like this. So this is really, I want to recreate this in the foam. So I'll begin just like yesterday. I have my piece of foam I'm going to turn into wood. Use my wire brush to lay in the wood grain. I'm going to do this first. Then I'll just take my pencil and I'm just going to draw in that knot and really create those grooves with the pencil. Draw that in. You'll really see that when I put the paint and the wash on. As I said, everything else in this process will be exactly the same as yesterday's demonstration of how I recreate wood effects. Okay, you might be able to see that work that I've done there now, but when I lay this wash on, you're really going to see that stand out. Dab off the extra and let that dry. And there you have what I think makes a fairly decent looking knot hole in a piece of wood. Now I have exaggerated this a bit for the sake of this video, but that is essentially how I create that effect. Let me know if you have any suggestions for how you think I could improve that.